morning, guys. So today is the day of Miss Madison's birthday. Yesterday was her birthday. Here she goes. Say good morning. Say good morning. It's my birthday, right? It's your birthday party, huh? All right. Say hi. Say hi. Yeah. You can't get any closer, baby. Okay. You want to kiss him? Okay. Give him a kiss. All right. But today's her birthday party. I haven't reserved the hall. Well, it's actually at our complex, but I haven't reserved it, so we're still up in the air on where the party is going to be. Everything is ready, done, prepared. It's like a little after 8. It's 8:45, and everything is done. All the food is done, thanks to Daddy. He did all the work. I just showed up. So I have to put together party bags, and we have to go get the cake because I didn't order the cake. It was just a rough week, and yeah, it was a rough week, and we're not gonna listen to him. It was a rough week, so we're gonna go out, try to find a cake that they can just put happy birthday Madison. She's 1, she doesn't really care. So that's the plan.
Nope.
And then Daddy has to get a shirt. So I'm gonna go get dressed and get the day started. So welcome to Madison. Welcome to Madison's Winter Wonderland. This is the preparation for Madison's Winter Wonderland. I'm doing it so simple because I was like stressing myself out about decor, all the stuff. So it's gonna be so simple, it's not even funny. So yeah, we can't wait. Grandma's here, and then we have my family coming later, and we gotta go. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. How's it, Daddy? Is it good? Mm-hmm. Okay. So this is the spicy jerk wings. I don't want to taste it. Hmm? I don't want to taste what you bite. You had that in your mouth. Ew. Mm-hmm. So this is this spicy jerk, and then the other one is still in the. Hi, birthday girl. Hi.
Just like finding a diamond so rare. There's a beat when you come in the room, from your walk and the bounce of your hair. 'Cause it's your eyes and the things that they display, and it's your smile, girl, that takes my breath away. It's your heart. And the words to come.
I don't have a lighter.
You're so.
Oh, okay. I'm like, I don't have a lighter.
You're so. Now it's your style, girl, that creates the moment.
So I think it's almost over. It's what, 3:30? 3:20? 3:25? And yeah, you can help. Yeah. 3:25. We got an hour and a half to go, and I want to hurry up.
You follow lighter.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Madison. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, so now we gotta do it in Spanish, okay?
Que lo cumpla feliz, que lo cumpla feliz, que lo cumpla feliz, que lo cumpla feliz.
Oh, Giselle?
Anda, Dari, allá, que sacan en el video.
Lights, please! Okay, who wants cake? This was in Madison's bag, one of her birthday bag. One of my good friends found it today and put it in her present in her gift bag for Maddie. And I opened the thing and I saw it and I was like, oh my gosh, Bah Humbug is in my daughter's gift bag for her birthday. That was really nice of her.
Maddie!
We're gonna have to talk to
Say hi, Maddie!
Grandpa about getting Grandma.
She's all dirty now. She's all dirty. Say hi, Mommy. Mommy.
Where's her headband?
Oh, no.
And the bag, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Maddie said I had a good birthday, guys.
I wanted to stay in the house and spoil.
Come, algunas veces no se come.
Por eso, Jenny dice que no. Y yo digo, no, lleven.
Sí, pero algunas veces lo comemos, pero algunas veces pasa días que no se...
no, yo no lo tiro.
It's not yours. Give it back. It's your sister's. Maddie, you and that doll baby. Could you pick up the doll baby?
Sobró todo, ¿viste? Sobró comida.
Oh Lord.
Póngale.
Did you fall down?
Con esa nena. Nena.
I don't know what you're not doing.
Nena.
Okay. She acted like she was coming and she
Yo
didn't.
ya sé lo que le voy a regalar para Navidad.
You hear me?
Me
I'm
dio,
sorry.
Maddie, did you get everything you wanted? Oh, she found the doll baby. We use a hot mess. I just asked her where it was and she just pulled it out the bag.
Baby.
More presents.
Now she putting it in.
Leftover food?
Now she putting it in a bag now.
I'm looking for the leftover food. I'm hungry.
En la heladera hay una cosa con comida.
And here, May. I found a popsicle thing in there. You said all the things are in the fridge, right?
Leftover food?
Maddie, how was your party? How was your party? You're all partied out, huh?
I Not yet, Mommy.
You are all partied out.
Not yet, Mommy.
What do you need? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? What's there? What are you looking for? What are you looking for?
You see? Yeah.
What are you looking for? Yeah, what are you looking for? Okay. Okay, people. So party's over. Madison had an amazing time.
I have a 75.
We had a lot of people out to support little Maddie. Of course, the party wouldn't be a success without her grandmother. Her amazing grandmother. Love her to death. And Daddy. Oh my gosh, that man is amazing. He's amazing. And of course, her siblings. They make it all possible for little Matt to have an amazing day. It was fun. It was fun. It was simple because I don't want to be exhausted tomorrow. And yeah, I think I have enough footage to throw together to give just a special. If it's not, then I'll just do it like, you know, vlog style, where I just throw everything that I have together and just do a vlog. I think, I don't know yet. You guys will see what I do. But definitely, you guys will see this tomorrow, which is Monday. Daddy's here! So, thank you guys
Yes, thanks to everybody.
yeah, thanks to everyone. It was an amazing party, but Tony got hurt. Tony is my husband's cousin, son. He got hurt, and yeah, it was really bad. But anyways, thank you guys so much for hanging out with us this birthday. Still can't believe Madison is 1. I still can't believe Maddie's 1 and walking and
Messy.
a little human being. I still
Guys, you
can't.
like my necklace?
But I'll see you guys on Wednesday.
You guys like my
Maddie, you want to say bye? Maddie, you want to say bye?
Guys, you like my necklace?
See you guys later.
Juju needs to go out and he needs
She is
water.
busy.
Yeah, she is.
Who's that?
Destiny, my cell phone. Where is it?
I don't know. You have it.
¿Tenés algo pesado en el
He's so fancy.
Yo sentí algo pesado.